This video contains options which may or may not be included in your liftgate. If you have questions, please contact Waltco for your exact specification. Welcome to the HLF Operators video. This video is provided to explain safe operation of Waltco Liftgates and to help ensure your safety. This video is not intended to be a substitute for reading and understanding the owner's manual. Incorrect operation of this liftgate can result in serious personal injury. Read and comply with instructions and warnings, and use common sense. Put the truck in park, P, and apply the parking brake, and toggle the liftgate power switch to the on position. For properly function of the liftgate, the battery should always be in a good state of charge. Whenever possible, run the truck while operating the liftgate to keep the battery charged to its maximum. Follow any vehicle or company-specific procedures before exiting the vehicle. Make sure people and objects are clear from the operational and safety area. Proceed to the passenger side. Please read and follow safety and instructional decals. Safely stand at the side of the truck in a position where you have good visibility of the surrounding area. Always stand clear of the moving liftgate and keep hands and feet clear of pinch points. Always keep your full attention on the safe operation of the liftgate. Do not use a cell phone or anything that may distract you from the safe operation of the liftgate. Press toggle switch down to unstow the platform out of the transit position. Keep pressed until the platform reaches the ground. Use the handles to manually fold the platform main section, and then open the platform extension. Opening and closing of the platform is torsion assisted. Open the integrated cart stops. Use your shoe to push the yellow knob in the cross direction. The integrated cart stops will automatically be released and raised to the cart stop position. Stand to the side of the truck. Press toggle switch up to raise the platform. Keep pressed until the platform reaches truck bed level. Use the side steps on the dock bumper and handle on truck to safely climb up to floor of truck. You are now ready to load the platform. Make sure the cart stops are still in the raised position. Carefully position the load against the raised cart stops. Do not exceed the rated capacity. Once platform is safely loaded, use the side steps on dock bumper and handle on truck to safely climb down to ground level. Stand to the side of the truck. Press toggle switch down to lower the platform. When platform reaches the ground, keep toggle pressed. The platform will rotate and the tip will touch the ground. Release the toggle switch. Grab the load. Step on the cart stop until it locks in the horizontal position. You may now remove your cargo from the platform. Position the empty cart on the platform in front of the cart stops. Open the integrated cart stops. Stand to the side of the truck. Press toggle switch up to raise the platform. The mechanical leveling feature first brings the platform to horizontal position before the platform starts to raise. Keep toggle switch pressed until the platform reaches truck bed level. To stow the liftgate for transit, lower the platform to ground level. Use the handles to manually fold the platform extension, and then fold the platform main section carefully against the opening roller. Then press toggle switch up and raise the folded platform all the way up to store under the floor extension. The platform is automatically locked with the hydraulic lock valve. Before transit, make sure to toggle the liftgate power switch to the off position. The liftgate is now ready for transit. Step 1. Run liftgate through its entire cycle. Check for any unusual noises coming from the liftgate or related items, such as the power unit. Step 2. Inspect liftgate for missing or loosened fasteners, broken welds, signs of overload, hydraulic leaks, and that pins are in place and secured. Any defects need repair immediately. Contact your authorized service center. Step 3. Check that all warning decals are in place and legible. Any missing or damaged decals need replacement immediately. For location of decals, see the owner's manual. Warning: Do not operate the liftgate if everything does not check out properly during its daily inspection. Liftgate may malfunction, causing severe personal injury or death. Liftgate should be inspected immediately by an authorized service center.